Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Bishoy from Affiliate Marketing with Bishoy. In the previous video, we just created a new page, Affiliate Marketing. Now, as I mentioned in that video, don't worry too much about it. You can change it later, but we can't change it too much. So I'm just going to show you how to change it right now. There is actually two options. You can see here from About. You can go here and you can change Edit and you can change it here. Now, as you can see here, there is a list of do and don'ts, rules or regulations that you have to follow when you're making a new a new name or changing the name. You can see here why they are making that. They actually review every change, so you cannot make too much of a change. So right now it's affiliate marketing. Let's just make it affiliate marketing tutorial. Now, so you shouldn't mislead people by representing a person, business, or organization other than your own. You shouldn't include Facebook or official. You shouldn't use uh, terms that may abusive or violate someone's rights. So you cannot say the N word. You cannot say anything similar that might be offensive to someone. Otherwise, you'll get reported, and they won't allow the change, of course. Okay, so we're just going to say continue. Okay, so you're saying here that they can take up to 3 days and they can ask for new additional information, and you cannot change the name for another 7 days. And during that time period, people who liked your page will get notification. Not all of them, just random people, maybe the people that like it the most, or the people that are least active, and they will ask, "Are you okay with that name change? Is the new name uh, not allowed, or is the new name deceptive, or the new name doesn't match the original one, or talk about completely different situation?" Back in the old days, they would people would say this is kind of black hat, so you shouldn't do it. I'm not sure if it even works anymore, but they originally make the name page something provocative, just to collect likes and subscribes, like something, for example. A Muslim told me we cannot collect 1 million likes who love America, for example. So most Americans and most patriots, when they see a page name saying that a Muslim challenge the admin to not have 1 million likes, they feel attacked. They feel like we have to make it like it's our duty to make a like to prove that Muslim wrong. So you can bring hundreds, thousands of people who like your page, and they will share it with their friends. Let's beat that Muslim. Let's kick his ass. Kind of fake heroism online, and that way that person can collect 1 million likes from Americans in like few days, and then just change the name to make it talk about anything else, and then start to sell merch or start collecting data or whatever. So that's why they apply that rule. Now, if I click request change, some people who will come to the page will see both names, or the new name and between brackets the old name. So make sure. That's why in the previous video I mentioned that you need to know for sure, not for sure, but you know to a certain degree what the topic will be, what you want to name it, and we talked about what's the best balance that you need to have in your page name. If you haven't checked that out, please go check it out, and hopefully that video helps you. Now, there is another method. I'm talk about it right now. In case you don't see that option here, please like and subscribe so I can make new videos in the future. The other option is to click here and then edit page info. You should be allowed to change the name. Hmm, it's not available here. Okay, that's why there is two um, steps or two methods. Sometimes it will allow you to change it from here. Other times you have to go to the first method that I took. Okay. Also, this is not about name change, but it's important to point out now that we opened it. If you're going to use this for your business, make sure all of this information is filled out. Enter your website, enter the customer service email, enter the phone number that they can contact you on, talk about what your page can be, what your page is about, because this information will add trust to your page. It will make people trust you more. Make sure you enter your address in case you have a restaurant or a hotel and so on. That way, sorry, that way you can bring in trust. People don't buy from people they don't trust. They only buy from people they trust. So the more info you add in here, the more trust you will gain. And the more trust you will gain, the easier it will be for you to close the sale. Now, this mostly only applies to if you have an actual business, not affiliate marketing. But with a little bit of smartness, you can use this as well for affiliate marketing. So if you're into CPA, there is a lot of offers that pay per call. So you can enter the phone number here. If you are into selling products, you can enter here the customer service line for the main affiliate network that you have. But make sure that you're allowed to do so. Don't step toes on anyone's uh, trademark. So if you're an affiliate with Amazon, don't enter Amazon number here. Make sure you have their approval, whatever the affiliate you're working with, network or whatever, to have their approval to add their phone number here. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. And if you have any tutorials or any more information you'd like me to talk about, just mention it in the comment, and that will be my next video. Talk to you later.